basically what happened was that we had this spirit committee that we started. Tom Rayleigh, who was one of the crew members, brought it to the committee and said, hey, Red Bull Flugtag is coming this year, we should enter into it. So we got a design together real quick in one day, came up with a theme and submitted it, and like a week later we got accepted, and we're like, wow, so now we have to build it.
It was a lot of work. It was a lot of kind of figuring out on the way.
And we didn't even have time to really test it because we were up till about 2 o'clock in the morning the night before, finishing it all up. So literally flew by the seat of our pants.
I think humor is a lot of it, and so like people like seeing crashes. It's funny, so it's kind of works out well for them.
The whole theme was our casters are the toughest casters on the planet. So when we came up with this design, one of our engineers came up with the sketch. It was a glider carrying a caster, so it was hanging there. So we just kind of thought Hanging Tough was the name of the glider, and there's that New Kids on the Block song, Hanging Tough, so we just kind of went with that. Everybody saw our stuff, and people came up and asked about us and who we were, and we told them Hamilton Caster, up in Hamilton, Ohio. We're down here representing our companies. Other
teams would come up and check out our craft, and we'd tell them we're from Hamilton Caster up in Hamilton, Ohio, manufacturing company. Showed them our caster, like we literally designed casters that look just like this. I thought we did a great job.
Ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, team number 13, Cast If You Can, and their craft, Hanging Tough. And it is time to fly, Cincinnati. Let them hear you. Here they go.
This looks promising.
Let's see what they have.